All right, so today I'm going to show you how to research an ETF, which is very important. I know a lot of people shoot out these ETFs to you or what to invest in, but you want to do your research before you do. So one way is to go to Yahoo Finance, type Yahoo Finance in your search bar, hit it, and then it'll pull it up. So one ETF that's widely spoken about is SPY. We can go here, type in SPY, scroll down a little bit, and come over here to holdings, and you want to click on that, and then scroll down. And you'll see the top 10 holdings, which carry 27% of the weight for this ETF. But if you want to take it a step further, I recommend you come to ETF.com and type that same thing in, type in SPY. And you'll get a full report about what's going on with this ETF. Everything about it is pretty much here. Yahoo Finance is like a nice quick glance, but ETF.com will give you the full breakdown. And I want to show you something. You can see the companies right here, SPY top 10 holdings, but you can also click this view all, and all of the holdings will come up. And not to mention, like if you're trading too, you could look through these, ETFs and see what's all in here and come up with more ideas for your trading as well, because and it's so many stocks we don't know about. And just scrolling through some ETF holdings is a great way to come across another gem. So I hope this was helpful for you.